In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone on Gmail. We're all familiar with the clutter that can accumulate in our inboxes, and sometimes unwanted emails from specific senders can be particularly bothersome. Whether you're dealing with persistent spam or simply want to reduce distractions, blocking someone on Gmail is a straightforward solution. So, let's dive in and walk through the steps to regain control over your inbox. To begin, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and log into your Gmail account. Once you're on your main inbox page, locate an email from the sender you wish to block. You can do this by scrolling through your emails or using the search bar at the top by typing in their name or email address. This will help you pinpoint the exact messages you're looking to manage. Once you've found the email from the offending sender, click to open it. Now, at the top right corner of the email, you should see a three-dot menu icon. This icon is key for accessing various options, so go ahead and click it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll see several actions you can take, but for today's purpose, you'll want to choose the option labeled Block Sender's Name. Clicking this will prompt a confirmation screen. Here, Gmail is ensuring that you indeed intend to block this sender, so click Block to confirm your decision. Now that you've blocked the sender, Gmail will automatically filter any future emails from this address into your spam folder. This means they'll no longer clutter your primary inbox, allowing you to focus on messages that matter to you. It's a simple yet effective way to manage your inbox's content and minimize interruptions. If you ever decide you want to reverse this action and start receiving emails from the sender again, you can easily unblock them. To do this, you'll need to go to your Gmail settings. This can be accessed by clicking the gear icon, found in the upper right-hand corner, and then selecting See All Settings. Within Settings, navigate to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Here you will find a list of blocked addresses. Simply find the address you want to unblock and click Unblock. And just like that, you'll start seeing emails from that sender back in your inbox, provided they still choose to contact you. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your Gmail conversations and ensure your inbox remains a space designed for your priorities. Thank you for joining me today, and remember to subscribe for more tech tips to make your digital life just a bit easier.